If you're watching this video, you just got an alert for this strategy. So here's a quick breakdown of the strategy to help you make a decision on whether you want to get in or not. So the first thing you want to do is verify that this is the right alert. So this should be GVT BTC. That's Genesis Vision trading against Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart in Binance. Now, if you're in the right place, here's how that strategy performed. So let's click down here. This was a pretty good strategy. We had a net profit of 486.75% with 413 total closed trades. We had a winning percentage of 44.31. But remember, our stop loss is set at 3% and our take profit is set at 5%. So even though we won less than 50% of the time, you still end up making quite a bit of profit with 486% because the take profits are so much bigger than your stop losses. Now for this strategy, there is a max drawdown of 35.5%. So depending on your risk tolerance, that's something for you to take a look at. And we were on a trade in average of 18 bars. So since this is a 1 hour chart, that means that if you get in right now, you should expect to be in the trade on average 18 hours. It may be a little bit more, it may be a little bit less. So think about that depending on how long you feel comfortable being inside of a trade. Now, all I can say about this strategy is that it is a breakout strategy. So we're waiting for the price to go up, to continue to go up after we get our signal. I can't say anymore what this strategy is made of since this video is going to be going on YouTube for the public to see. I hope this is enough information for you to make a decision. Now remember, don't rush. Don't let your emotions decide for you, and there will always be another signal coming just around the corner.